Alright guys, just got to the spot here. We're going to do today's a little something different. You don't normally see people trolling for smallmouth, but what we're going to do today, we're going to troll for smallmouth. Did this last week, it's pretty productive. We ended up almost 80 fish. There's a little SMALLMOUTH hornets. Put a picture of it right here. So, let's give it a shot. Another one? Dude, I just put my rod back out there. I'll take another one. Not bad. Better than the last couple. Shit, he's digging. Dude, that's big. This one so far, it's a chunk right there. Nice. Shit. Another nice one. This guy's big. Yo, I got another one out up here. Dude, this one's nice. It's a pike. I think it's a pike. Oh shit. Oh shit, well, that's a nice pike. Damn. Not bad. Didn't think I'd catch a pike today, but not bad at all. Literally just put the lure in the water. Just dropped it in there. Another one, dude. It's 3 in a row there. Popping it out. Let's troll him back. Just hooked up into another one. Largemouth. Yeah, it's a largemouth. Oh, another one. Holy shit. Another one. Man, you're smoking this thing today. Oh, I flung the lure, man. Oh, that's a fish. Yeah, it is. Shit. About 30 degrees cooler than it was last week.
Oh, let me figure it out. 'Cause I gotta be back home by like 1. Pictures. See you in a bit.
Might need the net for this. Get in there. Woo! That's a nice. Smallmouth. Nice. That's a nice smallmouth. Beautiful smallmouth right there. Let him go. Come on. Beautiful, absolutely freaking beautiful smallmouth, man. Nice one, man. Another one on. Double one up here. What's that rod? Alright. Where's this guy gonna have? This is another nice one. This one's really nice too. No, stronger. Oh, come on. Just flip. Right getting it stuck in the net. Look at down their mouth, dude. Look at that. You see that? He's got a cross all down his mouth. Another beautiful smallmouth, man. Oh shit. Oh shit, I got another fish down here too, guys. There's another fish on. As I'm trying to get this one, there's another one on the line. Alright, let's let this guy go. Let's get this one in. It's a largemouth. Man, that's a nice, nice largie. Man, it's supposed to be like 15, 16, maybe, I don't know. It's a lot though, man. We're definitely on them here. I mean, there's no argument about that. That didn't take long. Hooked up right off the shore. Spinnerbait.
That's a largemouth.
Is it? I haven't even seen it yet. Yeah, I think so. No, it's a smallie. It's a nice one. Not bad, not bad. All right. Not bad, not bad. Only here 5 minutes.